Hi, I'm Chris. I'm head of paid media here at Spear Growth. Happy that you downloaded the ads projection template, and I'm just going to show you how to use it. So once you get the access to the template, you will only have view only access. So you have to click on file and make sure you make a copy. I've already made a copy over here. Once you've made a copy, you can play around with your projections to get to know the amounts that you would want to spend. We approach projections in two ways here at Spear Growth. One is a top-down approach and a bottom-up approach. A top-down approach generally starts with the duration of the campaign, your current revenues, and your what you want to achieve. It also what split of it comes from paid marketing, performance marketing, your average contract value, your business cycle, so 3 to 6 months, however long it takes you to close, your payback period, so how many months does it take for you to recover your acquisition costs, and then your qualifications, so your demos to MQLs, your MQLs to SQLs, or your SQLs to your closed one. Of course, if any of these stages you don't use, you can just put it to 100% and bypass that and get the calculations for the stages that you want. So whatever is marked in yellow is things that you can change and interact with, and then get the answers for projection questions you have. Bottom-up approach is more granular. We rely on multiple tools like Keyword Planner and SEMrush for this data. We break our campaigns into category, brand, competitors. We get the search volume for each. Impression share is something that we would have control over to penetrate. Your CTRs also is something you would have control over. Your CPCs are generally from the tools that you use. Traffic to demo again is in your control, and demo to MQL as well. And as you input all of these, you will get to know what would be the cost per MQL, what would be the cost for each of the campaigns or in total. So this would be a simple top-up and a bottom-up approach. We've added additional projection calculators over here for retargeting or for LinkedIn. These are specific to our strategies, but it gives you a good sense of how we approach these projection problems. If you need any help in your projection journey, don't hesitate to reach out by clicking the 30-minute discovery call link over here. It's absolutely free. Thank you so much for downloading this, and hope you achieve your goals through these projections. Thank you.